Hi, Miss Leones. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I am Junette Montana Leones, 36 years old from Coronadal City, South Cotabato. I am single with live-in partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have one daughter. She's 13 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 brothers and I am the eldest.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Singapore from August 2018 to November 2019. I work to 6 members family, 1 adult couple, 1 elderly couple, 1 adult brother, and 15 years old kid. My duty are cleaning the house, laundry, cooking, and ironing. My main task is assist to the grandfather, 86 years old, with eye, heart, and lung problem. I also work in Philippines as a house helper. From January 2021 to July 2023, I work to 4 members family, 1 couple, 2 kids, 3 years old and 12 years old. I do cleaning the house, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and also took care of 2 kids.
Okay, why did you not finish your contract in Singapore?
I decided to go back in Philippines, ma'am, for my eye surgery.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, respectful, have initiative for work, and hardworking.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am. Last 2019.
What kind of surgery?
Eye surgery, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
For financial problem and for my kids' future, ma'am.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of other children and children with tantrums?
I treat them as my own children, and I talk them calm in voice and try to understand everything that what good and bad for them.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.